I'm going to show you guys how to collect Helenium sneezeweed. Here's the plant. If you get in a little bit closer, you can see that the head is a little bit brown right underneath there. See the stem? It goes from like brown to green. That means those are ready to pick. So you go through the plants and you pick off those particular ones and put them into a bucket. Stuff to remember is you have to collect on a dry day. Don't do it wet or like a muggy day. It just has to be really hot, dry air to collect the seeds. And then what else? Let me go ahead and clip all these off and I'll show you. Okay, so this time I only got 5 heads. The rest of these are not ready to be picked yet. You have to wait until that stem turns brown and the petals fall off. So this stem is still got a little bit of green to it. I'm going to give that a couple more days. And we'll take all these into the shed and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so here's the seeds. I just pretty much take a head and I do this. Okay. A little bit of a shake, maybe get a few more out. Okay, so you can go ahead and pick out the seed heads. Those are, just put those in the garbage. And then, let's see if we can find seeds in here. They're really tiny. Right, where's my pen? Right here, there's a good one. They're like little tufts. See the little tuft? It's got like little, let's see if I can zoom in with this. Right there. That's a seed. So you'll have some chaff. You know, chaff is like you see these little orange petals and stuff. That's okay. If you don't feel like picking it up by hand, that's totally fine to just go ahead and throw the chaff in there when you're planting. And then I would let this sit out on a paper plate for a couple days just to make sure it dries completely. You don't ever want to transfer anything damp into a plastic bag because, you know, it'll mold and stuff, ruin your seeds. So I'll let this dry out, and then what I do is I transfer to little plastic bags later. You can get these at Walmart in the craft section. They have different sizes too. I just use the littler ones. And then the big ones I use, these ones I use for like sunflower seeds and beans and stuff like that. So this is Shasta daisies that I did a few days ago. And then after that, I just usually store them in a bin of some kind, just to keep them dry and safe from critters and stuff. And then that's it.